Good morning, Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Hit the like and subscribe. Please don't mind my eye. I got something in my eye. Yes, last night it was blowing up a little bit, so please, I really didn't want to go live as far as to the face. But good morning, my family. Good morning, my followers. We are now in the crypto world, right? Let's talk about it. We are 2.45 strong trillion holding. Very exciting. 1.149. Excellent, excellent. Good morning, Monday. Good morning, Monday. And we're going to talk about this crypto analysis. We're going to talk about crypto. Bitcoin going to 68K, and I can't believe it's coming. And as we're not a registered financial advisor, but I am a gentleman who does like to wear the visor. Good morning, Luke. Good morning, Jackson. Good morning, RJ, or anybody else who's watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. You know we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. Very excited this morning. Very upbeat. Very excited. Watch me. Watch us grow. We are now one of the biggest growing community, 1.16. If you watch my video from yesterday, Bitcoin is going to church, and please be the 100th viewer. Ladies and gentlemen, that was exciting. And if you go to the song, please, if you've not gone, 130 views on the song, hit the like button. That's our new song. Please go to there. But I need you to go to this Sunday picks on the NFL. Why do I talk about this? Why does this look like a penis? I don't know. I'm sorry. But pay attention definitely to mention. I want you to understand something. We're making sick dough in crypto. And I tried to tell you all of this. I'm really excited about this. They were sold out. The NFTs, we'll go over that in a minute. But how do I get over one on this? And I go to the next, I want to show the next one. It should be able to show you the next picture. And excuse me as I find out how. The picture shows, of course, the picture shows all of the tickets I had that we won. Please go watch that video and you will find out word for word, NFL ticket for NFL ticket. We hit each one. And I feel like we did something crazy there. Oh, here it is. How did I just do that? Oh, here it is. Look, ladies and gentlemen. We hit each one. The Packers, there it is. I called it. The Chiefs, I called it. The Bengals, I called it. The Cardinals, I called it. The Cowboys, called it. Steelers, called it. We hit every ticket. We called all these. This is a different one. This is a different one. We hit all these tickets. I'm not kidding on the parlay. So we're now not tonight, we're rooting for the Bills to go 4 for 4 on the tickets. Could you imagine making sick dough in crypto? So on Instagram, this is what we do. The most gangster shit I ever did in my life was turn my whole life around. And that's pretty much what we did. So without further ado, hit the like and subscribe. We're going to go right into, I use Streamlabs. I love it. Please, we do accept donations on the all button, please. If you hit the about button on the YouTube channel, you can go right there, boom, and hit the link to PayPal address and send maybe $20, whatever you want to do, $5. If you're excited, if that can happen, if you're making sick dough in crypto, maybe that's something you want to do. You do not have to. You know what I ask for you to do? Just hit the like and subscribe. So I got one exciting news here. Thank you, Jim Bianco. This is very big. Nearly 50% of the hash rate of the Bitcoin blockchain pulled the plug, packed up, and relocated to another country in a few months. And no one even noticed, and he's right. It signals an incredibly resilient system. I believe this realization is contributing to Bitcoin's above 60K again? Question mark? Yes, I'll answer the fucking question. Excuse my French. Look at this. So this is what it's showing. So in this bottom, mainland China. So it's telling you that China, if you pay attention, China was kicking ass, taking names all the way through May. And then when it comes in through, well, what happened? All of a sudden, everything stopped. Well, they stopped in China. So there's no more love here going on to the chart. This is one of the biggest charts I've seen in a long time, one of the most exciting charts I've ever seen. So who's blue? Well, the United States. Thank you. I pledge allegiance to the United States of America and to this which republic. No, I'm not going to do that. I was just joking. So long story short of it all, as I'm being a clown right now, we're clowning. We're allowed to do that. We're in the blue. This is the USA buying it up. What's yellow? We got some, what is that, Kazakhstan? And then we have Russian federalization. They said, we went over a thing where Russia went $36 billion into the market. So pay attention to that. Malaysia, Germany, all the countries, Ireland, they're even starting to get some. They're starting to fill in here, and all this China crap is gone. So the point being is that's a very, very bullish indicator, ladies and gentlemen. The fact that we're so resilient, as that gentleman said. This is another bullish reason. Another reason why, and I just went over this morning and I seen this. This is the 4-hourly on TradingView. So if you like TradingView, you can actually download TradingView for free. If you don't like the stupid ads that come up here, as you'll see, they'll come up and I'll hit the X button. It'll interfere with us and annoy us. Well, then you can simply just pay $10 a month, and I think they are adless. So as you see here on the ribbon, this is Bitcoin. You can see we touched the EMA ribbon and we came back up, right? We talked about this. We came here And every time we touched the ribbon, what happened? First off on this trend line, and this big trend line, I want to get rid of this RSI as we're showing you we're coming back up. If you notice, we came all the way through right the bottom of the EMA. This is the exponential moving average of the ribbon. We're flipping, right? We're going bullish here. It looks like we might go bearish is my point. So if you follow, we touch the ribbon, the tip, right? Then we come in, then we go through the middle. If you see right there, the middle of the ribbon, that's where our prices are. And that's something to pay attention to in the middle of your ribbon, right? We didn't go below it. We got right into it. Maybe change the color to white. You can't really see that. But this is important as we go into Christmas time and Thanksgiving and all this. And then what happened? Well, the next one decided to stay right above the rim of the EMA. Next one said, what? We're going to do the same thing. But now, as I go over and I follow all this stuff, I worry that an inverted head and shoulders pattern was coming. Well, no. I think that that's the shoulder and the head's here. So the inverted, here's the shoulder. So if you start to pay attention, what's this move? Where'd I get this from? Well, I'm going to show you in just a second. This is really exciting. Take this, right, and let's clone it. Now I have two, right? Where did I get this from? Oh, shiznick. I already screwed that up. 68K, ladies and gentlemen, and that's pretty much what I got here as we're doing this. Where did I get this copycat from? Where did I get that from? What am I doing? Well, I'm going to show you right now. This is kind of exciting, and you're invited. If you see that little wick right here, see this wick at the tip? Well, we're going to count that wick. We're going to count this support line where we started this trend line here at all the way from October 6th, coming up through the 7th. And if you look at this growth here all the way through, this is Bitcoin if anyone's interested. I will not, I promise. I promise I will not forget Jasmy. So thank you, good one, for adding that in. We're going to make sure we go over that right now after this. But pay attention to this growth. What am I doing, ladies and gentlemen? I'm showing you the growth of what we're doing on the repeat history after the sideways action. What we did was we went sideways action from October 6th all the way through what? The 13th. So 7 days we went through. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what happens if we go 7 days? So 7 days is the 23rd. Okay, so what day's the fuck? Excuse my language, I almost really did a big one. What day's the 23rd? And I expect it to happen before the 23rd. This is nonsense. Let's see, maybe it'll happen. 23rd right here is the 23rd. So that's 7 days later. October 23rd, to repeat the history of what we're doing. That was the 7-day move right here. So if there's a huge candle that wicks up at this time frame, it wouldn't shock me. And if it takes us to the top of the 68, as I just told you, wouldn't shock me either. So pay attention, definitely to mention as we're leaving Bitcoin. And I want you to understand that no matter what we do here in this time frame, that's my move. That's what I expect. This is Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and crypto. So we're going to go over Jasmy right now. We're going to talk about it. There's a lot of things to talk about because it's not doing exactly as I predicted, or is it? Let's see. Well, so far on the 4-hourly, ladies and gentlemen, I've had this here for about maybe a week. So if you pay attention to that, I expected this, and what are we doing? Exactly as I predicted. Ladies and gentlemen, I do get excited. Sometimes I get excited, a little overly excited. But please, if you do like these videos, if you do see where we're expected to come up, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. This is my strategy only. If you see here on the ribbon, it's getting really, really tight. So I'm going to get rid of the indicator so we can see what's happening here. Get rid of some of the mess so we can see on the chart of what he's talking about. Where are the levels I'm coming out? Where do I want to take some profit on Jasmy, an Ethereum token, very exciting token. I see it consolidating right here exactly as I predicted here as well. If you see it in the big picture, what do I expect? Well, I expect a nice little breakout with a couple of resistance support lines and spots here as well. So if you're excited about this, please sign in. There's a lot of times people go in and they sign in, you hit the like button and it tells you to sign in. You're killing me if you don't sign in and you come back to the channel. Please do me a solid. And I'm going to do it myself. I got to check. If you want me to continue doing these videos, and you need me to continue to doing these videos, I need you to sign in on your phone, on your PC, whatever you're doing, and hit these like buttons. Hit this video. I have 6 people watching. I have 8 likes. Thank you so much. We're done. We're going over. So here's the TA. We're going to break up and come through. I have nothing else to say. Once I see viewers of more likes than I have viewers, that's awesome. So I'm going to say nothing anymore. Just hit the like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. We're breaking through, and I do see this coming up as a very, very exciting scenario. So what's going to happen while we keep doing this and hitting this 0.068 on Jasmy? Please share it to a friend because this is exciting. We're getting these. Look at this stuff happening. Each candle was getting very, very exciting. Each candle was getting very momentum-like. And what was happening was we're getting a downward M. It was going to kill us, and it said, no, we're in a bullish market. Pay attention to that. Pay attention to where we might be on the relative strength index or the volume. Of course, there's a couple indicators we do. The volume stopped. We were FOMOing out. taking profits, watching Bitcoin go up, watching Ethereum go up, and the money was coming out. They were getting tired of it. If you pay attention, there's more red candles here. Starting at the 12th, right? The last 5 days ago, 6 days ago, the more money was coming out of this going into Bitcoin and Ethereum because it was flying. At one point, we were in love. We had all the volume here on the 10th of October. You remember, we were excited. We were taking profits, and then the M's came. Downward M's came. We're consolidating. We're about to find this falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern, at least up to the 7.98 cents. So I'm looking to take profits at 8 cents. If you'd like, go 7.5 because that is a problem lately. 7.5 has become a problem. So if you're really consider it. Yeah. If you're really, what's the word? If you're one of those conservatives, thank you very much. If you're a conservative type person and you like taking profits all the time and you're one of those, 7.5 is for you. Take profits 1,000% at 8 cents. I don't know how many more times we're going to see it until we keep getting the sideways action of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's got to go sideways. When Bitcoin goes sideways, it will break this. Sideways, Bitcoin, BTC, Jasmy will break. 8 cents. Until then, take profits. That's it. It's very simple. It's a very simple format that I take. I don't do anything brain surgery. I don't do any of that stuff. That's it. So there you go. There's your chart. There you look on the bottom here. The trend is your friend. So if the trend is your friend coming down on the 4 hourly on Jasmy, and if I pay attention, definitely to mention as I look here, my breakout's going to give me one ticker bounce. It's going to scare the hell shake out the weak hands down to about here, probably continue to trend, one last time touch here, and then that's where we're going to get the breakout. So it's going to take a little more time. So what, the 20th, 2 more days. Just pay attention to that. I wish I could keep that up, but that does mirror what it says up top and the bottom to the here, so doesn't it? So if you could sign up for this, ladies and gentlemen, Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and Crypto, as this is my strategy only. This is not financial advice, but please hit the like button. This is a very entertaining show. If you like making Sicto and Crypto, then this is the channel for you. We had some sold out NFTs, Wiz Khalifa, and this is just insane because look how awesome that looks. I love the artwork. I love the tongue. I love with the glasses on it. What a great idea. Apparently the weed is wearing glasses and it's got its head out as a tongue. I don't know. That looks pretty cool though. They were sold out immediately. I believe there was only 10 of them. Sells for more than 75 ETH. Oh my Lanta. So pay attention to what's going on there. And then as Jasmy, as I said, we hit the support level of 5.5 cents often. If we do fall or break below 5 cents on Jasmy, you're going to expect to see 4.9. So barely breaking the 4 cent level. So we're not going to go into it. So, but what's going on with Ethereum? Well, Ethereum is doing exactly as I predicted here too, it seems like. So let's remove that indicator and show you what's happening. We had two options. We had a big check mark up, right? We had to expect it to maybe get this spike down and up. So if we do come down very dramatically in dramatic fashion, and this continues very hardcore, we could come up break here. But my concern with Bitcoin, as I was going to tell you, is that we're going to create new all-time highs. And then when you show me a new high, well, you show me a new buy. So show me a new high, I'll show you a new buy. If we continue to hit new highs and tips like that, 4,000, 43.70, we need to really come up and touch that. It's going to take some time, but if you notice, we are getting high volatile waves in the upward trajectory. So I don't even expect this wavelength, but it is. It could happen. Why? Or most likely could happen as we go back to it, excuse me. Well, the reason why I expect Ethereum, and this is Ethereum now if you want to follow me on TradingView, this is the 4 hourly. Each candle is a 4-hour time frame, so we got 3 hours. It's 9 o'clock on the New York, New Jersey Eastern time. Today is 9:05, so in under 3 hours, just about noon, 12 o'clock on the 4 hourly, you could zoom in here and see we're going to get a new candle. So what am I expecting? Well, I'm expecting the next couple 4 hourly candles to really test some type of support, some type of resistance level. What is that? It's the 35.63, and it looks scary. I'm not going to lie. It looks scary as a mother. It sure does. Right about somewhere near there, 35.32. So I know it's going to make me look like I'm a friggin' wizard or whatever it may be. We do have a gift here, and I do believe, I don't know if you're one of those people, but I do believe in people that have gifts, special gifts. And special people do special things. And, ever since I lost my special loved one, maybe I now have a special gift that I had and I didn't know how to use it. But look for these two scenarios. I don't see much of a fall down. What would happen to me? What would be my alarm signals? Well, my alarm signal's already here. So if you see this trend line cross and break through where my support and my slash resistance, as you can see, we've had it. The main major thing is I want you to understand if we break through there, we're in trouble. So if we break through right here, which is the major, we're going to keep that there. 35.46 is we're hoping we touch here on this is the most likely scenario. So what color would the most likely scenario be? Emerald, what's going on? Let's do that. The same color as the price tag, okay? So let's look at that as we do that. What's going on here? Can we get rid of that? Yes, we did. All right, so this is the most likely move on Ethereum. Ethereum will come down, bounce on this trend line in the upward trajectory, and it's basically an ascending channel. So if you really pay attention, you put your trend line on the outside here and go up, you're looking at like an upward channel. And I'm kind of excited about that because the trend is your friend. And if you keep going through, right, we'll get this high volatile waves in the upward trajectory moves, and we'll keep going up and up until that puff and puff, like he said, and blow your house down, because that's what the resistance is all about. It's like the big bad wolf. This line is the big bad wolf, and the little piggies are going, I'll huff and huff, and I'm trying to touch and touch. And eventually what's going to happen, it was like the digit on the girl. We're asking for her digits, and we're like, hey, baby, can we get the digit? And when are we trying to get the digits? Well, we're trying to get it every time at 39:63 o'clock, right here on the time right here, 39.54. Every time at this time, which is a price, we're trying to hit it. Hey, can we get that? No, get away. You're a dirty person, blah, blah, blah. And it goes down. We get rejected and our confidence goes down. We're trying to get resistance. That's all this is, the red line. So we're trying to hit resistance. Sooner or later, the more and more you touch the resistance, the more and more you keep playing with it, right? And you're going to bust. So the more and more we keep playing with this price, we're going to bust through. We're going to actually touch it maybe one more time, as some people like to say. That's what she said. And we do have to be respectful because we do have one or two of them in here watching. And ladies and gentlemen, this is just a joke. We like to have fun. We like to make sick dough in crypto. We like to enjoy the day. What would this be? An upward W. So that's what I'm looking at. And if I were to continue to upward W, it would take me to in November, and we would then start seeing new prices. Well, this might happen way before then. So let's see if we hit this here. This is the 4-hourly on TradingView. This is Ethereum. And Ethereum is having a little bit of a problem about whatever this is. So watch the trend line. Pay attention to the 35.46, 3,600 to be able to get more. That's maybe a possibility of 3,600. I would look for that. What else would I do? We talked about Jasmy. If you want to buy as many as you can at the 5.5 cents, 5 cents level, you're a lucky person. I was going to say I'm out of money, but I'm lying, right? How could I be out of money when you just showed us, Wall Street, that you were just kicking ass and taking names on the picks? And yes, he did. If you're just tuning in, yes, he hit every one of these except for one with the Bills. We got the Bills tonight. It's a 9-leg. So we went 8. So far, we're going to go for a 9 for 9 tonight. Let's go, Bills. I'm a Bill fan. What is this? We're going to buy more sick dough in crypto. That's all it is. Right now, the total market cap is good. Heading back to 40 billion in Bitcoin, heading back to 20 billion in Ethereum. And that's where we want to be before we start going back up again. So look for those more numbers. Why do I know these numbers? I don't know. It's a sick thing. I have a sickness. Sick dough in crypto. That's what it is. So 211 is a dead steal for Cardano. That may be the next thing I buy with my tickets. When I cashed them in, 156, 138. I already know 138 is a great buy, 140. So if I see Solana at 140, I'm buying more. I may get into the Polkadot world again. I may dollar cost average into Polkadot. So we're going to talk about some of these things. We're talking about this breakout. We're going to talk about if as soon as we're done consolidating, are we almost done, or does it tune in? We'll find out. This is Jasmy. This is a big token that we're waiting for. We're waiting for Bitcoin to go sideways. And if it's going to start doing it now, then we're going to be excited. So there's a lot to talk about. We're going to talk about these things probably in the come time. I do owe a lot of people, the future time, come time, thinking about come, right? Thinking about coming, making this money. I got to go cash my tickets. Sick dough in crypto, though, once this breaks out, ladies and gentlemen, and this is Jasmy, it could break to the downside a little bit and touch, like I said, that 4.9 level. And where is the 4.9 level? If you were saying, P, what are you talking about? I'm talking about right there. So we'll make it purple because we always do that. This was Jasmy. Some people love to come in late and ask about it. Jasmy may touch there again. It may. I don't think it's gonna. We're in the upward momentum. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention, as time's going, we're in that movement. We're trying to break through. So see that. That's very important. These are high volatile waves. It's what Bitcoin does. And if you see the high volatile waves are starting to simmer down, which is going to basically get us a breakout to the upside or the downside, and we have to find out. We have to be ready for it. So if you're not ready for it, you will get hurt. Please be careful. Crypto is very volatile. 1 minute you're making sick dough in crypto, the next minute you're sick dough and sick yo. So please don't let that happen to you. These things we see can happen quickly, right? You can be down 50% before you know it, but if you hold it, and I'm no poet, you can start coming up and then maybe pull it out and show it a ticket like me, or show, hey, I kept my profits. I hodled. Wall Street told me that if I held it a little here, we'd start hitting some resistance support levels. Well, that can happen. So Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Have a wonderful day. Positivity, love, yo. That's Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. And every day we'll leave off. Where's Matic going? We're in the 150, so we're looking to see if we can fight at the 170 level again. Unfortunately, that's one of those things. It's tough. But pay attention to the level. If you watch one of my videos, maybe we'll go over it. But I do owe an NKN, an OTX, and another token. So I do owe a video for a couple of my followers. But until then, Wall Street Pete, sick dough and crypto. Have a great day. It is Monday. I know a lot of people get the Monday blues. So do I. But this is why I do this channel, to help you get out. And we're going to finish that song. Why not? Have a great day. This is Matic. Everybody buy, it goes up, up, up really high. What's their favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Where's Wall Street? I don't know, but when it goes up really, really high. Tude and your tune. This is the Wall Street Pete Show. Love, love. Oh, oh. Have a great day, everybody. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Take care.